Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I am going to be bringing you guys how you can achieve these very easy jumbo box braids. Like, they're almost like tree braids, so you've got your cornrows somewhere in between. I just thought this would be such a different vibe for you to rock, be it in summer or even right now in winter for your protective styling. So please guys, do enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys would like to see on my channel next. I love you guys so much. Have a beautiful day. Mwah. As with any other protective style, we're going to start off by moisturizing our hair, and to moisturize my hair I'm going to go in with my Afro Botanics leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to follow that up by using my Afro Botanics butter and seal all of that with an oil. I'm going to section my hair into 2 equal parts on one side of my head, and in between those 2 equal parts I'm just going to put in a cornrow. I'm going to go in with my Iso Plus gel. This edge control is the bomb.com. I'm going to be using it just to tame and to bring everything together every single time that I add my rubber bands. So I'm going to be using the no snag elastic bands from Clicks. I really love these. They are very low tension. So the whole idea of doing crochet box braids, guys, is to ensure that you have low tension on your hair and you can now just do a style. It's faster, it's quicker. If you're one of those people that actually can't do braids that don't fall off whilst you're walking in the streets, this is the easiest way to do it. So like I said, I'm going to be going in with my edge control. After using my edge control, I'll then follow that up with my no snag elastic bands. This just makes it all tight and snag and all together. And then to do the actual box braids, the skill is this. You're going to be going in with you're going to section off all your canicolone hair into the size that you prefer. Then what you do is you go in with your crochet needle. You put your crochet needle through your under your rubber band. You're going to pick up your first strand. You pull it through your hair, and then you have it as the first strand for your box braid. Once that is done, you're going to take your second strand, which you will then part into 2, and then that becomes your the 3 parts that you need to braid for a normal braid. I don't know how best to explain this, but let me just show you guys. So you're going to take your crochet needle, you will pull it through your first strand, so that's going to be your first strand for your actual box braid, and then you'll attach your second onto that, and slowly, just like that, guys, you'll have this done. So I'm going to continue to show you guys the best way that you can do this. So you're going to pull your strand through your rubber band, then you're going to start doing your braid using your second strand, and it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. You don't have to worry about them falling off. You know that it's low tension. You know that they're going to stay. I mean, for me, that is the best thing about this style. So it's just a different technique of doing your box braids, especially if you're one of those people that are bad at doing the start up knot right there at the start. Then you don't need to worry about that at all. That's the nice thing about doing crochet box braids. And then just to lay my edges, I go in with my Iso Plus gel. And then I use a brush. So I use a toothbrush first just to shape them the way that I want. Then I use the end of a tail comb to now finish up that curl that happens at your edges. Now you can add all your trinkets, all your this and that, and then you're good to go, guys. I really hope that you find this tutorial useful and helpful. Enjoy!
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane.
Like I said, guys, this tutorial is very easy. Give yourself 2 hours or less and you could have this hairstyle. You could be rocking this. You can rock it absolutely anywhere. You don't have to do the blonde if you're not a blonde person. You can do it all black. You can do it all blonde. All I'm saying is this is the easiest protective or even summer style that you can rock right now. Today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys' support. Have a beautiful and wonderful Monday. I love you.